Hello everyone, today we are here with an algebra problem. The problem says that can you show that these sorts are actually rational number. So looking like it's actually irrational, but we will show that it is rational. So let us solve this problem. So before going to solve this problem, let us recall the result. We know that if x plus y plus z equal to 0, then x cube plus y cube plus z cube equal to 3xyz. So we will use this result. So now let a equal to the given number, that is cube root of 45 plus 29 root 2 plus cube root of 45 minus 29 root 2. So implies that a minus cube root of 45 plus 29 root 2 minus cube root of 45 minus 29 root 2 equal to 0. Now let x equal to a and minus of this equal to y and minus of this equal to z. Then clearly x plus y plus z equal to will be 0. So now by our result, what we will have? X cube plus y cube plus z cube equal to 3xyz. So now this will give, we will put the value of xyz here. So x means a, that is a cube, and y mean minus of cube root of 45 plus 29 root 2 cube plus minus of cube root of 45 minus 29 root 2 whole cube, that is equal to actually 3xyz. So that is 3x is a and y is minus cube root of 45 plus 29 root 2 into minus cube root of 45 plus 29 root 2. So this gives a cube. Here this term will be minus minus 1 cube is actually minus, so minus of 45 plus 29 root 2, and this will give minus of 45 minus 29 root 2. So cube 1/3 will be cancelled out. So that is equal to actually 3a, and this minus and this minus will be cancelled out. So that is cube root of 45 plus 29 root 2 into 45 minus 29 root 2. Sorry, there is a mistake here, that will be actually minus. So this implies that a cube and this term will be cancelled out. So a cube minus 90, 45 plus 45, that is 90. So that is 3a, and this is actually a plus b into a minus b, that is cube root of 45 square minus 2 into 29 square. If you simplify this, actually you will get a cube minus 90 equal to this, actually this term will be actually 7, so that is actually 21a. So this implies that a cube minus 21a minus 90 equal to 0. Now by rational root theorem, possible roots will be divisors of 90. So what are the divisors? That is plus minus 1, plus minus 2, plus minus 3, dot dot dot. So one can easily check that 6, a equal to 6 satisfies the above equation. Hence a plus 6, hence a minus 6 will be factor of this equation, and if you factorize this, then you will get actually a square plus 6a plus 15 equal to 0. So this implies a equal to 6 is the only real root of the above equation, because for this equation the discriminant d equal to 6 square minus 4 1 into 15, that is actually negative. So this will have imaginary root, not real root. So only real root is a equal to 6. So but the our given number, that is was a equal to this. So this number is clearly a real number. So what will be the a? A will be the 6. That is, therefore 6 will be cube root of 45 plus 29 root 2 plus 45 minus 29 root 2. So we have got very nice form of 6, 45 plus 29 root 2 and 45 minus 29. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.